Hey, Dustin here with Stinger Attachments. Today I'm going to be showing you our RRG series buckets. This is the Root Rock Gravel buckets. This bucket's going to come in 4 different sizes, 60 inch up to 78 inch. This is going to be a nice fit for smaller to medium sized machines. It's lighter weight than like our rock gravel buckets. Going to come standard with the universal skid steer mount plate. If you have anything else, just let us know. Also going to come with factory mounted 1/2 inch couplers. Now this bucket has actually been recently updated. What we did is we made the tines a little bit thicker. We bumped that up to 3.5 inches. We added another support plate between the tines. So now we have double support throughout. Just helped make it a lot stronger. Now 4 things that we feel are really important on this bucket. Number 1 being is this is entirely built out of grade 50 steel. Grade 50 steel is the ultimate material we use for construction type equipment. It's going to last a long time and it's super tough. Number 2, we have a 1/2 inch serrated cut in. It's going to be ultimate for soil conditioning. Anything you got to do around the yard, digging in, it goes in better than like a flat bar type cut in. Fits well with the wood bucket type design. Number 3, and this was a recent update as well, is we have greasable pivot points on all of our grapples. We felt we needed to make the improvement on the grapples. You grease them, they're going to last a long time. Number 4, support tubes. You may notice on the front of our grapple, we have a support tube running all the way through the front. It ties in the top plate, the front plate, and the cylinder brackets. That tube is going to be really important to help strengthen up the front of the grapple and help prevent from twisting and stuff like that. You may notice a lot of people use a one-piece of steel. They bend it right here, and they weld the sides out. We feel this is a lot better deal. Back here, we've also added a support tube between the grapple mounts. And that's going to help straighten everything out back there. And it's going to also help from debris coming through the backside of the grapple and also help protect the backside of the cylinder. Now, I'm sure I missed a few things, but if you have any other questions, be sure to give us a call. The number over here at the shop is 507-273-74